So here we've got our CSI 1.5. It's called a 1.5 because it runs in about 1.5 seconds. It routes, drills, and delivers the screw into the pocket cut.
Our vibrating bowl will run screws up through the bowl to the rail. They'll then go to the air gate. Each cycle of the tool will open the air gate where one screw will drop in and shoot through up to our stop plate. Once the screw hits the stop plate, it'll drop into place in the screw inserter. Once the route and the pilot drill has been made, then the screw will insert through the route into the pilot hole.